It's no longer just about automation. It's about intelligence. Welcome to Industry 5.0, where physical AI meets human ingenuity. It starts with design. Using high-performance computing and digital twins, we simulate and perfect prototypes in the cloud, stress testing reality before a single piece of metal is ever cut. To scale this, we need true IT and OT convergence. Google Cloud's manufacturing data engine unifies disparate shop floor data into a single source of truth, while the Cortex framework integrates those insights with your business systems, finally bridging the gap from the shop floor to the top floor. At the heart of this is Gemini Enterprise, a platform that allows you to securely build, deploy, and manage AI agents across your entire operations. It turns decades of logs and complex machine failures into actionable insights. Whether it's a worker diagnosing a defect with a tablet or an executive uncovering potential bottlenecks, intelligence is now accessible to everyone. Manufacturers can create custom solutions for every stage of production, from quality control agents that spot microscopic defects to testing agents that accelerate validation, and demand forecasting agents that synchronize supply chains in real time. AI doesn't just monitor, it acts. It empowers your organization to predict equipment failure before it happens, increase production throughput, and supercharge the capabilities of your connected workers. Step into the factory of tomorrow, today. Powered by Google Cloud.